Hello guys, the question we are going to see today is palindrome number. What is a palindrome? A palindrome is a string which is like same string when it's also reversed. For example, race car. Okay, it's a palindrome string. We have to do that to a number. For example, if 121 is given, the reverse of it will be also 121. So it's like palindrome number. So we have to return true. In case of minus 121, it will be like minus 121, like it will be in the reverse format, so it will not be a palindrome number. Same with that is the case of 10. Okay, we will just try to solve it. First of all, let x is equal to I'll just get the input. After that, I'll just define a function palindrome of x. After that, function definition palindrome parameter will be x. Okay. Okay guys, what we are going to know is like we will be dividing 121 by 10, which will produce a remainder 1. After that we will divide it. Okay, we will just first we are doing model operation. After that we will be dividing 121 by 10, which will give us 12. After that we will be doing the same model operation, which will return 2. We will be like we will be adding this to another temp variable. Okay, after that which will be like 1 2 stored in the temp variable, sorry, temp. After that, like we will be dividing this by 10, which will produce 1. After that, like 120, sorry, 1 modulo 10 will give 1. After that, like we will be storing in temp. Okay, it will be like 121. We will just check whether it's true or not. Okay, first of all, like I'm just taking temp is equal to x. After that, this is the like temporary element for the text variable, and this will be the result. Okay, res is equal to 0. We will just go through the while loop. While n greater than 0, we'll be like iterating. Okay, such that temp is equal to temp modulo 10, res is equal to res. After that I just forgot, like we need to multiply by 10 in order to like add one digit after it. Like it will be like temp star 10, which is equal to 10. After that, like it will be like 120, like it will be going so that res star 10 plus temp. Okay, after that, like we will be dividing the temp by 10. Okay, after that, like we will be getting a res value if like res equal to x. This is the reason like we are just going with another temp variable for x. In case like if we just use this x variable, like it will be 0, and we won't get the like values. Like we can't able to check the values. Okay, return, sorry, true, else return false. Just okay, let me try it. 121, boom, it says n is not defined. Yep, 121. Okay, I just found the error. Okay, like we are just using the same variable here, which leads to error. We just need to change it to another variable. Okay, now it will be like come nothing, so just true. Okay, if I give minus 121, it's false. If I then false. Okay guys, that's all. We shall see in another version. Thank you.